Above all, to God Almighty, thank you, because without Him, I would not be standing here today, blessed with the strength and the voice to deliver this message. Everyone, good afternoon. To our distinguished dignitaries here in front, to our SDS representative and the head of the Girl Scout of the Philippines, Ma'am Maria Maya Tumalon, the barangay officials, Honorable Kagawad Angelito, Honorable Kagawad Tadena, Honorable Kagawad Bumanoy, and Honorable Kagawad Agang and Honorable Kagawad Jakilu. To our respected PTA officials, and to our school principals, beloved teachers, proud parents, honored guests, and my fellow graduates, good afternoon. So I really tried my best to memorize my address. However, now that I'm standing in front of you, I am much overwhelmed that I'm low-key starting to forget the lines. So please bear with me as I try to recall and read my address. To my fellow graduates, graduation isn't just about the diploma or the ceremony. It is about the effort you gave. As cliche as it may sound, it's about the late nights you stayed up studying. Bisan Gemma nagot nga nag-study. But more than that, it's about every time you doubted yourselves but still choose to continue. It's about the friends who stayed by your side, the teachers who pushed you, the family who supported you, and all those little victories that were never really little. It's about realizing that the person you are now, you were when you started this journey, is not the same as you are now. You grew, you fought, you survived. So today, celebrate. Celebrate the growth, the tears, and the cheers. But do not forget to celebrate your hard work, the sleepless nights, and the doubts. Because those are what shaped you. Those are what made this moment real. And that, to me, is the real graduation gift. Those heavy school bags and piled up activities we carried every day were the lightest burdens we ever had. The weight we once complained about became the kindest one we ever held. Because it carried not just books, it carried memories, friendships, and dreams we didn't even know we were building. Albert Einstein once said, if you don't do anything stupid when you're young, you don't have something funny to look back when you're old. And looking back, I think we did a lot of stupid things. Laughing too loud, cramming at the last minute because of procrastination, stressing over small things, making jokes in the middle of pressure, kay bisag gatambak na ang mga buhaton, magsigig hapong pisngi, magsayaw-sayaw sa anha, magkanta-kanta, mga feeling Broadway artist. Sige mo, ginikala mo nga, hala, kabuangon ako, daghan na kayo itong activities, wala ko kasabot. Pero, gipilig hapon ninyo nga ma-show up sa next day. And now, those are the moments we'll remember the most. Especially kanang magsigihangad, hagad og, huy, maglamaw ta, wa di ay lubi. Tapok daw para group project, ang nitong, nainito nga, pero gasigi rag cellphone, gasigi og, agwan og TikTok trends, or gaduwa ag ML. Those are the moments that made this journey meaningful. Pero grabe, no? Isn't it crazy that we are the batch who was once supposed to be mopaso na, but we were complaining about wala na kapaso pa grade 6 na to because of COVID. Time does really flies fast. Wala na kabantay nga, hala, grade 12 na, next year is college. At nakabantay nga, gayaw-yaw pa ta kay wala ko ka kanta sa kuan. O sa tunga kanta sa una, salamat ba to? And if you're still wondering if someone is proud of you, please do remember that you will always have someone proud of you. As your SSLG president and your batchmate, I am beyond proud of what you achieved. with or without medal, you guys deserve the recognition and applause. I may not seen or heard you strive, but I felt it. I faced the same challenges and the same expectations. I felt and I know that reklamos, kakapoy, o sa storyang, unya sa ka, matugsa ko kariyo. Diya tuod, hangtod na adlawan na, nabuntagan na, halala city na akong assignment. Matog, ang ram na sad. Please also remember that you have your family, friends, your parents, siblings, and even strangers. You also have your relatives, and most of all, yourself. Be proud of yourself because I know that for sure that your loved ones in heaven is smiling ear to ear, ringing the trumpets for smile just to show and let you know that they are very proud of you. They may not be here physically, but they are with you spiritually. So stop the doubting that you don't deserve the recognition yet, because you do. Your mama, your papa, your ate, kuya, manghod, lolo, lola, and best friends in heaven are so proud of you. And that's because of how time flies fast, wala dyan nakabantayan na kaya na di ay nato ang high school. Mahuman na di ay ta sa high school. We never really thought, and I never really thought we would get here fast. And now, for that, I would like to take this moment to express my deepest gratitude. To my parents and family, my strongest foundation. You put up with my takas, my anger issues, health issues, mental struggles, and everything. Sa kasama o sa suga sa kuyoyo nga magyayo nag-quiz, pwede mo balhin sa kasasala, kay sama na kayo sa mata, alas 3 na, kay gabilahar pa ko, kay tuwa lagi ga-procrastinate, ga-apas og deadline, ga-cram, or either ga-sipira. To my mama, thank you for always reminding me to be the good one, to carry myself well, and to value first impressions. To my papa, who used to sharpen my pencil with a knife because I always lose my sharpener. Thank you for the simplest acts of love that meant so much. Bisan pagsige na taglalis kay lagi, mga paniyang babaan. To my siblings, thank you for being there, even in the smallest way. And to my titas, titos, and cousin, lola and lolo, thank you because you guys are testament that distance isn't the reason for no support. Without all of you, I would not be standing here today delivering this address in behalf of the graduates. To my batchmates, congratulations and thank you. Because I often wondered every practice, okay pa ba ko ani? Kaya mag-struggle naman ko kay every practice, every pangasaba. Ngayon na sila na ko. Ngasab ko, kinsa lang nasa likod, ganun di man magkuan. Agi nagtinanawan. Nangasad nga si Jai, nangasaba nasad. Sure of it now. You turn pressure into something lighter. And now here we are. Not just as students who finish, but as individuals who endured. Congratulations to all of us. Ang unta dili nato kalimtan ang giingon ni Mamaya ganina nga, apilin na ang tanang kabuang, ayaw lang jud ang adik-adik. To my anaks in this school, thank you and congratulations as well. Seeing your growth has been one of the most fulfilling parts of my journey. You made me feel proud, purposeful, and useful in ways I cannot even fully explain. I am overwhelmed with all of your greetings. Continue growing, continue striving. I am always rooting for you. To my friends and classmates, thank you for walking this journey with me. Maybe without you, wala na ko ron nagtegi na siguro kay di man maniot to si President, way kaon. But because of you guys, kanunay ko yung hagdon, press, maniot to ta, press, dali press, bisag, ang inyong bound is para sa inyo ha. But you still chose to call me and share some of your baon.
for the food, drinks, everything you shared. For the times you called me, even you only had enough for yourselves. For the laughter, for the support. Thank you so much. You made everything lighter. And sa mga laki dira nga, ahimangayon ako og notes, bisag kahibaw sila nga ako'y kinalasan mo pa og notes ni Ma'am Rere. Thank you. Kay kamo mag-remind nga, hala, wala pa rin ko kakopya. Magkopya sa ko. Every kalisod, every pangutana nga murag lisod to bagon kay Pres, nausa di si Kuan. Lawat ko kay ba dili ako ang radar sa Pilipinas. Wala gani ko kay ba naunsa na gatukuan. Char. Every pangasaba, every singka ni President, wa pa jud ko ninyo nasumbagan. Wa pa jud ko ninyo hanapakan. Grabe yung pasensya. And for that, I present to you my sincerest apologies and thank you. I get so used to you guys calling me Yora, Mayora, that even kung mutawag ang mayora mulingi ko, bisag dili na ako ang yung mayor, kay ni Presidente naman. Those moments will always stay with me. When the school year started, I felt disconnected with you guys. We seemed to have worlds apart. That is why I never thought we would get along. Kaabi ra ko ha, nga ako rin isaltik sa room. Kita di ay tanan, mukisi ragkalit, buhilak ragkalit, musyakit ragkalit. Bawang sa irason, basta, kita man ay ba nga saltik. You guys are the ones who knew how I doze off in class. Kung unsa ko kasabaan, kayaw-yawan, kakapuyon nga, murag everyday. I did your work everyday. Kano, everyday jud nga na ay mangutana. Okay pa ka, Pres? Kaya pa ka, Pres? Ito mag-wonder ko, nasa din ihong purma nga pangutanon, mantag okay pa ba ko? Marip to, kaya akong buhok, nakagkag na dire, galaylan ng mata, eyebags is so black. Mantag ko, ay, okay na siguro. Siguro. Basta nga, pahuwi sa food, Pres. Like, you guys remind me that I do need rest despite my hectic schedules. Sa ako po busy, dili na kayo kumakitaan sa eskwelahan. First quarter, daghan ko gatinan nga seminar workshop. Second quarter, gasagunsun ang school events. Third quarter, fourth quarter, contest ug entrance exam. Mao nang pag fourth quarter, mag-wonder na si Ma'am Riri kung na ako siyang klase kay naan-naan naman si siya nga wa ko may gam siya pagkuan. So x is equals, uy, Chrissy naalagi ka. Grabe kung tuwa kag pila ere ko. Ay ma'am, ni excuse ako. Dai nga na dai. Unja, na pressure ba pag kuron kagama sa ko ang valedictory address. Kay giingnan ko nila, "Hoy quiz, pakihila ka ba mi ha? Dapat makahilak mo ang imuhang speech." Kay dapat lang kay last year na ni ko, "Saan man ni paghilak nga? Gangislit naman ni sila." Paghilak mo bi. Gangislit ra sila na wala may luha. But now, thank you guys so much. Kabisan pagkanunay na mga saba si President sa GC. Wadya po ni-leave, kaya mo leave. Ni-leave rapod. Sa mga meeting nga di jud makurom og dungan tanan, kay either na ay natug, na ay ni absent, na ay nilakaw, or na jud galatagaw sa campus. Garime na siguro kay last year na sa high school. And dapat unja among classroom dili na mahimo nga hilom kay magistoryahan dapat high volume to the max jud kanunay ni mga kasabaan pang hilom mo dira mo tong ma-stress nagamo ang protocol officer. Thank you guys from the bottom of my hypothalamus. You guys walked with me in this journey. To my SSLG family, thank you for standing with me. To Sir Andy, To Sir Andy, thank you for guidance and all kay Murag tungod di dyan naka-attend ko og seminar and workshops that helped me not just build myself but also help others to build themselves. Thank you, sir, and God bless the new designation ni mo, sir. To my fellow SSLG officers, thank you for putting up with your presidents. Kay bisag mag-joke ko nga, di jud maot, makatawa na lang mo kay, pag-kick na mo sa GC ron. Just to make fun. But more than that, thank you for serving with me, for your dedication, and for helping me make every event successful. Without you, none of those would have been possible. To the teachers, faculty, and staff of San Isidro Technical Vocational High School, thank you guys so much. You guys are truly inspirations and educators in your own different ways. To my class advisors, Ma'am Aisel, Ma'am Charmaine, Ma'am Salome, Ma'am Rere, and Ma'am Alisa, thank you for being my second parent in school. You guys guided not just me, but all of us to finishing this journey and making us realize that this is worth celebrating. To Ma'am Alisa, thank you for never forgetting to check on me, especially during the times when things became too heavy and stressful. Those small checkups meant more than you know. Kaya you know everyone, si Ma'am Rochelle, press kaya na, bisag kalingkod ako, cause I know na feel niya akong kakapoy o kahago. They helped me continue, helped me breathe, and they reminded me that I was not alone. Your reassurance that I was doing my best carried me through my last year of high school. Thank you very much, Ma'am. I know for in fact that all Aristotle is grateful to you. To every other people who has been